Alright, in this video we're going to be resetting the oil change light. I'll show you guys real quick. We're going to start the car and it's going to tell me let's see if it pops up. Alright, oil change due. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this oil change due. What you're going to do is you're going to have to use the key. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the car because they want you to. Sorry, it's hot in here. So what they want you to do is put this in the on position. Alright, so there you go. It is off. I got the key in. I'm going to put it in the on position, but do not start the car up. Alright, you want to give the gas pedal 3 times. Let's see if it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the car off. Alright, put my button back in, and it should not say anything about oil change. Let's see. There you have it. So what you want to do is put the key in. Don't use the push button. You're gonna have to take this push button out. All right, take that push button out, put the actual key fob in there, which I'll show you guys mine. Put the key fob in there, put that in there, turn it to the on position, but do not start the car. So it's the notch right before you start the car. All right, and then you want to hit the gas 3 times. I did it a couple times just to make sure, but you want to do it 3 times and then start the car, and that should clear the engine oil light. So the oil service light should be gone. Make sure you actually give it an oil change, and what you want to do is start it up before you clear it. Check for leaks. Go to the top of the engine bay and look where the oil filter is at, because they're on the top. Go on the bottom and make sure the drain plug is not leaking as well. So I'll show you guys real quick where the oil filter is at. For those of you guys who don't know, the oil filter is right there. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see another video like this. Alright, later.